Today I'm going to tell you how to use control cruise in any car. Basically today I'm using the cruise control in the Honda N-Box. It's a custom model, turbo 4WD. I can say that every car the cruise control system is the same. So I'm going to tell you how to use the cruise control. You can see on the steering, the most car have on the steering wheel, this is a cruise button, and if you press the cruise button, the cruise light is on, so it's mean you are ready to use the cruise. So how to use? I will go in the drive. The car is on drive now. So as you can see, now we are on the 40. When you are more than 40 speed, then you need to press this minus button. So see what will happen. The cruise is start. Now the cruise is set on the 60. So it will go on the 60. But if you want to reduce or you want to go on more speed, you need to press the plus button. But you need to press it till what speed you need. So it will go high and high. And then the minus, it will go low and low. Now the car is on the speed which I said. No need to press the accelerator button. As you can see, the car is on his speed 60. It will go on the set speed, and my foot is not on the accelerator. But when you press the brake, the cruise will automatically off.